Hi guys, Sam's here, coming to you with another breakdown. This time we will composite 3D model into our image. Let's first open our image, remove all distracting objects. In this example there are 3 branches, clouds and a bird. Composite our sky. This time we're going for a dramatic effect. Paint over the lake with the same shade of blue that I color picked from clouds. Change the blending mode to overlay. Adjust the colors, bring them to the right place. Using curves adjustment layer, we will lighten up our little island. Added another lightning, cause I felt like it's not epic enough. For this step I went to Envato elements and in the 3D model section searched for an old boat, picked up the right angle, downloaded the model, placed it on our composition, and with curves adjustment layer drew a shadow underneath the boat. More shadows to make it naturally blending into our composition. Blurred out parts of the boat, pasted the copy of our boat, flipped it, changed the blending mode to soft light, masked it and started painting to make it look like a real reflection. And for the final step, took our composition into the Lightroom. Here I do a standard procedure of applying my preset, adding a radial filter and cropping to 4:5 ratio. And this concludes our breakdown. Hope you all enjoyed it.